开始。
Hello everyone. I'm going to introduce the AI language tutor application we designed and its main features. This application aims to help students improve their foreign language speaking skills. Next page. Firstly, our application has three main user groups: students, teachers, and the technical team. Students engage in real-time conversation with AI to get feedback on pronunciation and grammar. Teachers are responsible for publishing scenarios with different levels and tracking students' learning progress. The technical team is responsible for maintaining and upgrading the system to ensure that the AI model is continuously optimized. We have also designed a teacher-defined scenario that allows teachers to set up dialogues for students in different situations, such as daily life and business meetings, and they can adjust the difficulty level according to the student's performance. Next page. Then I will briefly present a 4+1 will analysis of our AI language tutor application. The system is modular in design and consists of user management, payment, course management, and assessment models. Development is done using Python and Django frameworks. Reliability and high performance are achieved through a cloud-based solution and accelerated with GPUs for AI tasks. That's all.
Now, introduce the feature diagram. It describes a system architecture based on an AI language tutor platform. The core module AI language tutor is connected to several main modules, including payment, security, courses, assessment, and exercise. Payment-related modules support two payment methods, credit card and bank account. System security module provides advanced and standard security levels, depending on the choice of payment method. The module, of course, includes the following sub-functions: upload, rate, and learn. The assessment module includes two assessment methods: AI assessment and real-person assessments. Next page.
The use case diagram features four main actors. After students first log in, they are required to take proficiency assessments with the AI tutor, which will provide them with a language level to update the student profile. After that, ordinary students can take courses with the AI tutor. This use case consists of two parts, choosing a course and finishing a course. Students at each level can only select courses from the pool relating to their current level. They also have the option to take a new assessment with the AI tutor to achieve a higher language level. If a user recharges, he can upgrade to VIP, which enables him to apply for an assessment conducted by a human teacher, which is more accurate during the initial phase of the app release. As for teachers, RuleSoft tutors design and upload scenario simulation courses. They also act as reviewers to review others' courses. Only after passing the review, a course can be included in the student's course selection pool. Now let's take a closer look at the two most important use cases. Next page. For taking courses with AI tutors, student users presses the Take Courses button, chats with the AI tutor under a chosen scenario simulation. System confirms the course is completed and updates the student profile. For taking assessments with AI tutors, student completes with all questions and submits the test. The system assesses the student's English level based on their answers. If the test is successful, the system displays the level on the screen. That's all.
Next, I'm gonna introduce the class and object diagram of our AI language learning system. In the class diagram, we can see core components such as student, teacher, AI tutor, course, and assessment system. Each class has attributes and methods like a student class with ID, level, and balances. In the payment system, students recharge for assessment and their balance update accordingly. In the object diagram, we can see specific instance like John, a student with ID S 0001, enrolled in an English courses with an intermediate level. His balance is 100 after a recent payment. Object diagram shows how objects of a category interact and react and relate in the specific scenario. Next, I will explain the activity diagram, interaction diagram, and state machine diagram through one case, published scenario. The activity diagram shows steps like creating a scenario, setting parameters, and submitting it for review. Once approved, the scenario is published for student. The sequence diagram highlights the interaction between the student and between the teacher, system, and review team, where the system saves scenario as draft and later publish them after approval. Lastly, the state machine diagram tracks the scenario status, moving from idle to publish or returning for modification if rejected. This diagram shows how the system ensures quality and compliance throughout the published scenario process.
Now I will introduce the package diagram. Package diagram shows the module division of AI tutor system and their relationships. Website includes user scenario, course management, and assessment modules, and is responsible for the core interactive functions of the system. Users can manage personal information through login registration and can select and study courses. The balance management part includes functions related to user account balance, such as recharge, updating balance, payment, and cash withdrawal. Database management system includes multiple database modules. And next page. In the deployment diagram, any user client node has three portals: student, teacher, and technical team. Monitoring service node includes performance reports and the log file. Web server includes Oracle, cache server, and AI model service. Processing service node includes ASR for speech to text and TTS for AI feedback to speech, communicating with the application server over an internal network. Application server includes session management, API gateway, Django framework, and the MySQL database. And that's all for the presentation. Thank you.